This apartment's located in Rushcutters Bay, which is a suburb in walking distance of the city, as well as Sydney Harbour. This apartment building was built in the 1960s, and there's about 40 studio apartments in the block. This apartment's 24 square metres. When we first got the apartment, it was completely different to what it currently is. When you walked in the original apartment, you entered through a corridor which contained the kitchen, and the living space was combined with the bedroom. We completely demolished everything within the existing apartment. We decided it was really important to have a strong divide between what's sleeping and what's living. So we contained the amenities of the apartment and the sleeping space to the smallest possible area, so the living area could be as big as possible. So the design idea was to have a sliding screen that could determine the function of the apartment at any one time. During the day, the timber screen creates a visual separation from the bedroom to the living area while still allowing light to pass through when the bedroom space is closed. At night, it can slide over the kitchen, opens up a sleeping space. There's a little open shelf which acts as a bedside table and includes integrated lighting. The bed's raised up and includes drawers underneath it for extra storage. One thing unique about the apartment is the full width windows, and we wanted to make that obvious from the moment you walk in. We angled the joinery unit next to the bed so that you can pick up light and a sense of space. The material palette was kept to a minimum. The black butt timber screen is the same as a black butt timber floor. That it added a softness to the apartment. The bathroom and walk-in robe are accessed via a hidden door. Combining the bathroom and your walk-in robe makes the whole space feel much bigger. The grey tiles in the bathroom complement the timber floor, gives the whole apartment a really earthy feel. And combined with concealed lighting, create a luxurious feel as well. As soon as you walk through that door, there's a full-length mirror beyond. Gives you a sense of a larger space. The kitchen was really carefully considered. It includes a fridge, an oven, a dish drawer, and a narrow cutlery drawer. The kitchen also integrates a little appliance cupboard, incorporate a full-height pantry stack. With the minimal material palette, our bench top and splashback are also a grey concrete. Cities like Sydney have some amazing old housing stock that's been solidly built and isn't going anywhere. And repurposing that amazing housing stock to bring it up to the way we want to live our life now, or just giving it a refresh, is one of the most sustainable ways we can continue to grow our cities.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our Never Too Small channel by clicking on the logo and the notification bell to receive updates on our latest episode.